We're going to be doing a custom decal on our faded hood on our Subaru Forester, so let's get straight into it. We started up with the skinny tape and started outlining the design and making 3 lines, and like that we could take out the middle line to make a little stripe. Now when we were done with that, we started sanding the hood down to prepare the surface to grab some paint with a scuff pad. Then we have wiped the surface down with some wax and grease remover to take out the dirt. Then we started maxing up the area. Make sure that the area is prepared to grab some paint without doing any overspray on the rest of the car. Now it's time to paint, and we use this trim black that's in a can to show you guys that you can do this without a actual gun, that you can just buy it and paint it like this. This is going to be like a flat finish, like the trim on a car usually would be a flat finish. Now we started to do a light coat, of course, for the first coat, then we did a second coat and a third coat, and let the paint dry. The paint dry up, and we decided to start taking everything out and seeing how the paint job came out. Now this paint job came out absolutely amazing. I do like the way this came out. It's way better than spending all the money on the paint for this car, and this paint is kind of a 2-stage color. Anyways, now we're back into the past. I ordered this since Christmas and it got delayed so many times, but finally got the O2 sensor that I needed after getting the other one. Like, oh, it's the same brand. Anyways, got what I needed. Let's install it real quick. Here it is, what I've been waiting for so long has finally arrived. After replacing the O2 sensors, we replaced the fan. It's a used fan, and it's going to work out perfectly. Fits in there rather nicely, and we zip tied the wiring to another wiring like that's out of the way and it shouldn't get burned. Then we replaced the hose for the radiator, the upper radiator hose, and it was nice. Now this is the before and after of the plastic trim, which is insane to think about. And this is the old radiator fan, which is completely burnt up. As you can see, big difference right there. Then we decided to try to save one of the pieces by heating it up and rigging it up and fitting it up to the car again. Alright, so we have installed everything on the car. Now it's the moment of truth. Everything's installed except for a new battery. So with the key on, there could be check engine, maybe not. Let's see. Start up right away. No check engine. Let's go. It's not really shaking anymore. It's running really good. Only 114,000 miles, which is pretty good considering that we did not know how many miles the car had. Something smoking back there. Oh. That's cool. Alrighty, so we're back into the present with this car, and this car came out really nice. I do like the way this came out, although we could have went a little more lower over here, but it came out pretty good. The car has just been finished super clean, so right now under the engine bay is like really nice. As you can see here, it looks like brand new in here. Looking pretty good. I like it. As for the interior, like I said, the car has been super clean, so it's really clean inside here and here and then the back as well. Looks really nice, really clean. Let's start it up real quick. There you go. No check engine light. Looking pretty good. Now everything's pretty much running fine. Everything works. Everything's pretty much good except for one little issue that we have, which is the dampener. It's shaking a lot, so we have to fix that in the next video, which is probably going to be the last video of this car. Either way, I thank you guys for watching, and this might be it for this car. It looks really nice. Guys, see you in the next video. Peace and God bless. Like and subscribe as well, please. Thank you. Bye.